Blast it, man. What are you doing to solve the crime?
Isn't it obvious? It's as plain as the nose on my face. Quick, let me see a copy of the score. It was no accident. Listen up, because I think I've solved it. Oh, shoot.
What's the problem?
I just remembered. I can't read music. The answer's been staring us in the face all along.
But what about the murder?
Oh, will you forget about the murder for a second? In the same boat. It's our 11 o'clock number. It'll solve the musical. Bryce, do you have the latest rewrite?
The one for the whole company?
Precisely. I want to run this now. We'll have Rob Hood and the ladies trying to reach the steamboat to Wichita before the farmers lose their land. Everybody on board with that?
Aye, aye, Captain.
That's Lieutenant. It's just Shannon at the top. Valine started off slow.
In the same boat, on the same sea, shaken inside as the tide keeps rising. Nary a ship, nary a sail, nary a soul on the horizon.
Here come the three pals paddling up the rapids.
Here we are, my shipmates and me, lost on a windy sea.
All the planks are springing a leak. We'd like to bail,
But we forgot the pail.
we regret to say
Our compass is gone, but somehow we still sail on. Because two heads,
three heads
are best, as some fellow wrote. And what the heck, we're in the same.
And headed down the river come the damsels in distress.
Tattered and torn, weary and worn, feeling forlorn that we look untidy, chilling our nails, praying that whales aren't allowed to eat meat on Friday. Still we are not discouraged due to the ancient quote that you like to win. Take it all on the chin when you're in the sea.
But the waves are coming on fast. Third song now.
The sea's unusually rough, the going's terribly tough. As if that wasn't enough, they lost an oar. They find it's all they can do to calm the craft. Furthermore, little chum, they're so dumb that they don't know their fork from their ass.
It's the high stepping riverboat men from the shore to the rescue.
The waves are lapping a lot, the sharks are snapping a lot, the thunder's clapping a lot. Just hear it roll, just hear it roll. But there's no doubt we'll stay afloat, 'cause it's to win. Take it all on the chin when you're in the same boat.
Now the pals come rolling round the bend while the ladies up the creek come sailing into view. Let's put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8.
Easy, so sun on safety, shake your sides as tide is rising. Nary a ship, nary a sail, nary a soul on the horizon. All the stand still, studying the rainy as we need help and dance around. And we are dead, sorry Lord, feel the sharks are snapping tidy, still the thunder's crying.